All right, this is the second part of the video sections for my CSC 106 final project titled Virtual Hockey. I'm going to run through the code and explain it. So, as you can see, first, about line 1 through 14, this is where I just set my global variables up here. We go down here, and we have my draw player, my draw loops for drawing the head and the body of the Bitmoji, which then, below this, we have the Bitmoji object class. Since I had so many, or I would say like three or four Bitmojis in the game, I decided, hey, it'd probably be best to make the Bitmoji an object. So here's the object class for the Bitmoji, the draw loop where I draw the head and the body in here. We then have down here, these are some movement prototypes. Here's the movement left and the movement right. And this is some more of the Bitmoji movement. Down here we have the collision. This is when the puck collides with the AI goaltender. It sends back the puck to 350, which is the starting point, and automatically shoots it. Over here we have some more the actual objects spelled out right here. This is my Bitmoji, the goaltender, and then the Bitmoji on the start screen. Sorry about the fan. I think I might be going through that. But here we have the puck object class with the draw, and then we have the shoot puck function right here. This shoots the puck up across the screen. We have this is the left and right, which moves the puck with the Bitmoji to the left and right before it's shot. And then here we have the actual main puck, which is drawn as an object. Next, we have all the buttons. This is the con button class implemented. Right here, we have the button draw loop or prototype draw loop, as well as some of its other Khan Academy button class functions, such as this, the mouse inside, the handle mouse click. So we got right here, this is the main game scene. This is the full function. You can see it draws the actual ice rink. Here's the scoring system, which includes a bunch of if loops. That basically says if the puck goes into this area, which is the crease, the north crease, then the score increases. And we have some more of that. And this also says basically if game time equals 0, it's going to switch to the final screen. Right here we have the score and time boxes, which are the two up at the top over here. So this basically just sets the fill. Just checking that. Basically just sets the fill and draws that. Over here we have the puck drawn and the Bitmojis drawn in the actual function. And here we have our key bindings, and this basically just says if whatever keys press, it does this function. So this is the left arrow, right arrow, left arrow again, right arrow again. This is the space hit. So when you hit the space button, it actually shoots the puck, and you don't have to hold down the space button the whole time. Here we have the speed system, which we used arrays up in the global variable right here to help with. So basically, each time it hits a certain amount of things, a time on the clock, it increases the speed. Down here we have our actual start button object, the game button object, instructions button object, and the back button objects. These are just the button objects. We have our mouse clicked functions, which I had to, which was split into an if and an else if statement. And here we have our start screen function and the final screen function as well. And then also the instructions screen function. And then we have the scene management, which correlates the current scene to each scene draw loop. So yeah, that's the code explanation for my final project. I hope you enjoy, playing around with it, and also just enjoy the whole finished project. Thanks.